Member from Leeds, Grenville.
Well, thank you, Speaker. It's a pleasure to speak about a very moving event I attended over the weekend at J.L. Jordan Catholic School in Brockville. Billed as Extreme Saturday, the event saw dozens of parents, students, staff, and community volunteers come together for a final day-long effort to complete their schoolyard revitalization project. It's an amazing makeover. However, the day's highlight was clearly the dedication of the project to 4 community heroes prior to the ribbon cutting. These heroes were chosen to represent the 4 points on the compass J.L. Jordan strives to instill in its students to guide them in making the right choices on life's journey. 3 of the heroes were honoured posthumously. Corporal Randy Payne, who was killed in Afghanistan on April 22, 2006, Andrew Moffat, who was stabbed to death while coming to the aid of a friend in 1998, Warrant Officer Class 1 Robert Moulton, who prior to losing his life when his plane was shot down over Holland on May 5, 1943, piloted the doomed aircraft away from a village, saving countless lives. The 4th hero is RCMP Corporal Laurie White, a former J.L. Jordan student who was injured in the line of duty and is the only active duty officer to return to work with a prosthetic leg. It was humbling to be part of the dedication ceremony with the families of these heroes and hear about these incredible exploits. I can't think of 4 better role models for young students to emulate, and I want to commend everyone involved with the project for organizing such an unforgettable day. Thank you, Speaker.
Thank all the members for their statements.